Mulebuy review: good, bad, why, and recommendation. Mulebuy functions as a shopping agent, streamlining access to Chinese e-commerce platforms like Taobao and Weidian, with a notable emphasis on fashion items, including shoes and apparel, often replicas. They manage the entire procurement process, from initial purchase to quality inspection via QC photos, secure warehousing, and final international shipment, all facilitated for a service fee. User feedback on Mulebuy reveals a spectrum of experiences. While some users commend the platform for its efficient service and relatively swift deliveries, others have raised concerns regarding the cost of shipping, suggesting it can be higher compared to alternative agent services. The quality and responsiveness of their quality control photo provision have also been inconsistent in user reports. Recommendation: if considering Mulebuy, especially for replica fashion items, exercise caution and conduct thorough research on the specific sellers and products you intend to purchase. Critically compare Mulebuy's shipping rates with those offered by other established agents to ensure cost-effectiveness. Prioritize understanding their QC photo procedures and their policies on returns or exchanges in case of dissatisfaction. Starting with smaller orders to assess their service quality and the reliability of the sourced items might also be a prudent approach before committing to larger purchases. So that's it for today's. Comment your thoughts. Like, subscribe for more shopping deep dives, and I'll see you in the next one.